In the previous video, we saw how to perform an update operation in plugins. In this video, we'll be looking at how to perform a delete operation in plugins. Similarly, if you want to delete is also quite simple. You just declare service.delete. You mention the entity name, that is the logical name, and then the GUID of it, which will be context.primary entity ID. So that's how you do a delete operation. One thing to note is that in order to delete, the user who is triggering this plugin needs to have delete permissions. If not, they will be getting an error which says the user does not have the required permissions. So that is something which needs to be noted. In the next couple of videos, we'll be looking at how to retrieve multiple records of entity data through query expression and fetch expression.